What's poppin', babiches and babinos? We are going to do some mini twists today, so if you're excited about this video, give it a big thumbs up and keep on watching. So my hair has been in a wash and go. This is day 2, but I didn't add any gel to it the day before, so that's why it looks all soft. So we're just gonna go ahead and start by separating the hair in half and then use a rat tail comb to separate a small little section at the bottom at the nape of your neck for your first row of twists. If your hair is my length or shorter, it's better to just use a spray bottle to wet each section that you're working with rather than working on a wet head, because the shrinkage, child, is going to be real. So I'm using the Curl's Daughter Coconut Cream Curl Enhancing Butter, and after that I'm going to add some of the Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed eco styler gel to it to just give it a little bit of hold. And then I'm going to do some twists, like 2-strand twists. They're not really hard. You just, I guess, split the hair in half and just cross it over. Just keep crossing it over. If you don't know how to do a twist, just pay attention. I do it a billion times in this video. It's really not that hard to follow. What I will say is that this hairstyle ended up real cute, okay? The second day definitely looked better than the first day in my opinion, just because they were all dry. They got a little bit of volume back to them by the second day. But just make sure you're doing your twists very small, like really small, y'all, so that when they do dry and blow up, you don't have a bunch of doo-doo twists in your head. Right now, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you stop this video and click subscribe. It is 100% free, and 94% of y'all viewers are not subscribed to my channel. That's what the analytics done said. It done snitched on you. So stop being fake and subscribe to my channel, okay? Also, just a little tip, if you are doing your hair like this and you're not using a soaking wet head, do not be scared when your hair doesn't curl up. Like when I'm finished with this twist, it's not gonna curl back up, but it is curled today. Like this is day 3. Now that I'm recording, it's day 3, and my hair has curled up at the ends. Everything is fine. It's just that the gel sometimes is a little heavy on hair when it's dry. So my camera fills up before I got to the part where I put my part in my hair. Like when the next clip comes up, you'll see it. So right there, that is a part that I purposefully put on the side of my hair. If you've seen any of my wash and go videos, or if you've seen any of my short hair videos, it's the same part that I always have, and I just added it in before I finished twisting, because if you don't, you're not going to have a part. You can't make it 2 more tips. When you're in the back of your hair, make sure that you are not braiding forward. Like, it's very easy to want to braid towards your forehead when you're in the back of your head, but if you do that, your twists are not going to lay down flat in the back. And then also another tip, when you are doing your hair like this, make sure you're combing out the ends of your twist, because you don't want to have any tangled up hair, because the twists, when they dry, they're going to look really ratty and gross at the ends. Another little tip for you guys, to make sure that your hair falls the right way. If you have a side part, in this section that I'm working with, I'm going to twist everything down towards my ear. Like, that entire section at the top is going to be twisted down kind of sideways. Like, I don't really know if I'm explaining it well, but just try to follow along. That way your hair will lay over to the side. So this is what my hair looks like when I am just finished with the twist. Now I'm going to go in with the Eco Styler gel and a little bit of the Got to Be Glued styling glue to lay my edges. And there we have it, my loves. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you try out this style, take a picture on Instagram and tag me in it, okay? I would love to see it. Make sure you're subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all in the next one.